dancing, feeling like myself, and now I'm dancing, feeling so unstoppable. I know these things are bound to be surrounded in a moment. You know I feel like it's so right, because there's something deep inside me you remind me of. It's not like it's just something that's alright. And once before I ever knew you hear it all. This isn't second nature. The first thing that comes to my brain, I feel it like I feel it now, because the rhythm that keeps on repeating. Sweet music, show me what to do and how to use it. Oh, all of the time I've loved it, only just to find it in a moment already gone. You know I feel like it's so right, because it's all the deep inside me they remind me of. It's not like it's just something that's alright. It was before I ever knew you hear it all. This isn't second nature. It's the first thing that comes to my brain, and I feel it like I feel it now, because the rhythm that keeps on repeating. You know, then like the vocoder thing, yeah. I mean, I'd have to keep going for like 7 minutes, but yeah, there we go. The song loops. Yeah. Heck yeah.